Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 12, subject environment science. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. हमारा जो टॉपिक है दैट इज डेजर्टिफिकेशन, causes of desertification and also effects of the desertification. लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया है व्हाट इज डेजर्टिफिकेशन. Desertification is the process of land degradation due to natural or man-made factors. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं it is the process by which fertile land becomes desert. Now, today we will discuss what are the causes of desertification and what are the effects of desertification. First, we will discuss causes of desertification. Number first, that is overgrazing. ग्रेजिंग मीन्स एनिमल्स टू फीड ऑन प्लांट्स, या ग्रेजिंग को हम उर्दू में चराई भी बोल सकते हैं. ओवर ग्रेजिंग मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा चराई कराना. ओवर ग्रेजिंग इज़ द मेजर कॉज ऑफ डेजर्टिफिकेशन वर्ल्ड वाइड. एनिमल्स grazing is a huge problem for many areas that are starting to become desert biomes. If there are too many animals that are overgrazing in a certain spots, it makes it difficult for the plants to grow back, which hurts the biome and makes it lose its former green glory. Number second cause of desertification, that is deforestation. Deforestation means जंगलात की कटाई, cut down the trees or forests, या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं deforestation, destroying the trees or forests. Deforestation is the cause of desertification. When people are looking to move into an area, or they need trees in order to make houses and do other tasks, then they are contributing to the problem related desertification. Without plants, especially trees around, the rest of the biome cannot thrive. Number third cause of desertification, that is farming practices. Farming means काश्तकारी और activity of growing crops. तो farming practice में क्या होता है? Some farmers do not know how to use the land effectively. They may essentially strip the land everything that it has before moving on to another plot of land. By stripping the soil of its nutrients, desertification becomes more and more of a reality for that area that is being used for farming. Number fourth cause of desertification, that is climate change. Climate means abu-hawa. Climate change plays a huge role in desertification. As the days get warmer and periods of drought become more frequent, desertification becomes more and more imminent. Unless climate change is slowed down, huge areas of land will become desert. Some of those areas may even become uninhabitable as time goes on. And last one, that is natural disasters. Disaster means afat or musibat. Natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes on the earth, just like flooding, earthquake, volcanic eruption. There are some cases where the land gets damaged because of natural disasters. Now, what are the effects of desertification? What are the effects of desertification? Number first, that is farming becomes next to impossible. Farming हमने अभी डिस्कस किया, activity of growing crops. Farming becomes next impossible. If an area becomes desert, then it is almost impossible to grow crops there without special technologies. This can cost a lot of money to try and do. So many farmers will have to sell their lands and leave the desert area. Number second, that is hunger. Hunger means bhook, lack of food. Without farming in these areas, the food that these farmers produce will become rare or less, and the people who live in those areas will be a lot more likely to try and deal with hunger problems. Number third, that is flooding. Flooding means sailab, normally land with a large amount of water, yeah, overflow of large amount of water. Without the plant life in an area, flooding is a lot more imminent. Not all deserts are dry. Those that are wet could experience a lot flooding because there is nothing to stop the water from gathering and going all over the places. Flooding can also cause water supply and also water quality. And next, that is overpopulation. Overpopulation means ज़्यादा आबादी, या हम क्राउड्स भी बोल सकते हैं. When areas start to become deserts, animals and people will go to other areas that cause crowding and overpopulation. And last one, that is poverty. All of these issues can lead to poverty. Poverty means gurbat. All of these issues can lead to poverty. Inshallah Rahman, baki आइंदा. Allah Hafiz.